Hi! The safest and easiest method to unlock your Samsung is by code. UnlockUnit.com can solve this problem for you. All you have to do is follow these 3 easy steps. 1. Send us information about your phone. 2. Receive the unlocking code on your email. 3. Enter the code into your Samsung device. Step 1. Go to UnlockUnit.com. Choose your phone manufacturer, Samsung. Choose your phone model and press the Unlock Now button. You will be redirected to the Unlock Samsung page, and here you have to select the country and network you originally bought your phone from. Next, you'll have to insert the IMEI of your phone. You can get your phone's IMEI by dialing *#06# on your phone or by checking the sticker on the back of your phone underneath the battery. You'll also need to enter your email address and then proceed to payment. Step 2. You will receive the unlocking code and all the necessary instructions on your email in the shortest time possible. Step 3. You have to insert another carrier's SIM and wait for your phone to ask for the unlocking code. Then, enter the code you received from us and your phone will be unlocked. For more information, visit UnlockUnit.com and check the frequently asked questions or just contact us. Thank you.